We are here at DF Robot at Embedded World 2026, and what we're going to be talking about today is a demo that uses gas sensors in a very interesting way. Now, we're used to the idea of gas sensors. They can tell you if your CO2 levels are too high, they can tell you if various things are present, but by combining those readings, you can actually turn those into quite human things, like a sense of taste or a sense of smell. Now, I'm joined with Rocket, who's going to tell me what we're looking at here and give me an example of it. So, Rocket, what is the demo that we have here? What is it doing?
Basically, it's just an electronic nose.
Yes.
You can test what the wire is. It's a beer or the vodka.
Okay, yeah.
So, the human just smell that can know which one is beer or vodka because we have a nose.
Yes.
But for the computer, they don't have it.
Yes.
So we give the nose to computer.
Okay.
Here is a sample demo, and if we close that, so we cannot know that, and the computer cannot not know that.
Yep.
But we can put it into here, and just click the button. Wait some time. They will have voila.
Okay.
Yeah, the beer, and they will know. Oh, okay. Now it's a beer in the environment, so we can know the electronics nose can know the alcohol, which is beer or vodka.
Absolutely. And if someone was wanting to replicate this, maybe use it as part of a project or as part of a small business, the parts in here are all modules that are actually quite easy to integrate with that are sold by DF Robot. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. We have this kind of memos gas sensor. Mm-hmm. So we have a lot of gas sensor in our website.
Yep.
You can see here we have such huge type of the gas sensor.
Yep.
And we can using that combination to do some TinyML module to detect what is the things.
Yes.
I will make an example. Imagine that in your reference there will be some fruit inside.
Mm-hmm.
When you find the fruit is a collaboration,
Yep.
there will be waste.
Yes.
So we put some kind of our gas sensor and training a TinyML model.
Mm-hmm.
We can detect whether the fruits cooperates.
Yes.
So we can eat early, not make it waste.
Yeah, absolutely. And in terms of more information, both on this demo and the modules that we used in order to create it, if someone wanted to find out more and maybe get their hands on those modules, where's the best place online for them to look?
We can find it our website, and also we can find this kind of things in DigiKey Mouser, as Evernight, some kind of website to find our module. And I think I forgot to introducing the board inside. There will be ESP32 chips inside, and it can be do some tiny machine learning more chips inside, so we can using that. The data will be collecting from the ESP32 board and sent to the computer module. Mm-hmm. Here is our LattePanda Mu, and it's running a large language model here with the video card inside with a small value of this case. So basically, you can running a large language model to give the information about what's the beer or what's the vodka, what's the flavor, what's how can we taste it, how it's to the dishes, something like that.
Absolutely. So in short, as well as the onboard sensors and the TinyML within those sensors, you can do more large-scale inference modeling on the LattePanda Mu, which is sort of a single-board computer running. Is the Mu one of the x86 architecture ones, or is that the ARM?
x86 architecture is LattePanda Mu.
Yeah.
That's our newest product. Not our newest, but our popular product, yes.
Absolutely, which is why I suppose in the background we can see that it's running a mainline version of Ubuntu. So if you want to work with Linux in a native x86 environment, the LattePanda Mu is perfect for things like this.
Yes, yeah, of course. Yeah.
Fantastic. And if anyone wants to buy any of the parts that are in here, or buy a LattePanda Mu, or any of the parts from DF Robot, where's the best place they can find you online in order to buy these parts?
I believe in our website dfrobot.com is our best. We have a global supply, and we also have our distributor from DJK, Evanate, Mouser, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, super, fantastic. Well, thank you very much for showing me this demo. Links to all of these things will be under the video once again. And yeah, what a fantastic project. Thank you very much, Rocky.
Thank you. Thank you.